What? You still have a bunch of tomatoes in your mouth. Mason. What? Yeah. Ride it. What are you doing? Playing? Yeah? You're playing with your food? It's good food. Tomatoes and pork chops. And you're playing with it now. What? Your finger. Finger. Nobody understands, Mason. Nobody understands you yet. You gotta learn how to talk English, not baby. Something you want to say to the camera? No!